Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your Asus Zenfone Max M2, for the first you have to open the menu and go for your calendar. After that we have to click here 2 times. Click on the switcher in the right corner, select event. At the first we have to add the title. Click on this marker, and here we are able to set up other things. For example, we can change the color of our default of our event. And if you set up everything, you have to click on the right upper corner to save it. And as you can see, here we got our event. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.